Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can integrate WhatsApp to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all these sections. Right here, you're going to find home, orders, products, customers, content. You're going to find analytics, and lastly, marketing and discounts. Right here under it, you're going to find your sales channels, point of sale and online store, and lastly here, you're going to find apps. So right now, go ahead and click on apps, and then here you're going to find all the applications that you have installed on Shopify. And here in the bottom, you're going to find all recommended apps and also app and sales channel settings. Go ahead and click on all recommended apps. And after that, you're going to be right here. Once here, go to the bottom. You're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Give it a click, and then you're going to be taken to your App Store. So once you're here, just go to the top. You're going to find this search bar. Give it a click, and then search for WhatsApp. After that, click on enter, and then right here, you're going to find all these results for your search. As you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to add a WhatsApp chat button. You can add WhatsApp, order SMS, and so on. So go ahead and choose the application that you want. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to be in the application page. Right here, you're going to find some informations about the application. And if you are sure about installing it, click on install. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. So once here, just click on install again, and then just wait for it to be added to your Shopify dashboard. Once added, this is how it will look like. And then once you're here, you can just go to settings and then add your WhatsApp button. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.